Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi auto turn it off, we should click to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you will see here all of the available networks which you could use. Just select one from them and enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a couple of seconds, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, you could use another networks and by the same way, enter the password, connect to them, and after that you could switch between these networks. For example, I got two saved networks before. Also, we had one more way how we could do that. Just first open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi auto turn it off, you should click to this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, then select one from the networks. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.